High school seniors, come closer, closer, closer. Did you forget something? Or maybe you keep remembering and it's just too overwhelming. The essay for college, it's due now. Deep breath. There is still time. You and I can do this together. 1 month, starting November 27th, I am inviting 10 high school seniors only. You are one of them. I will share some important lessons about writing a college essay from the hook sentence all the way to the clincher in your conclusion. The group will meet once a week on Zoom to go over your progress and discuss your next steps, answer any questions that you might have. I will edit your piece for you over and over until it's perfect, until it's ready to submit to your choice colleges. This is it. It is your chance to share your voice, to show off who you are and what you can do. We've got this. And parents, are you listening in on this too? Come closer, closer, closer. Are you stressed? Have you been begging and pleading for them to work on this essay? Or is it just too overwhelming for you as well? Let me help. You have enough on your plate, and writing is my absolute favorite thing to teach. We are going to do this together. Only 10 spots are available for 1 month. Beginning on November 27th, you must be registered. Click on that link below. And together, we're going to take a deep breath and get this done. I can't wait.